Search engine optimization. In order to understand search engine optimization, let's compare it with the Yellow Pages. Most of us knows how Yellow Pages work. It is a directory listing local businesses and services. Different Yellow Pages categorize it using different method by industry or in alphabetical order. Similarly, Google is kind of a Yellow Page listing for websites. The difference is that it lists all the websites and there are millions of it. So without really knowing the website address, we can't reach any of it, right? This need for search led to the foundation of Google, and that's why Google is called the search engine. If you search for groceries in Dubai in Google, it is Google's job to find out how many websites exist which match with this keyword and show you all the grocery websites in Dubai. Google also ranks these websites and shows the result in the order of their ranks. An efficient digital marketer with the right practices can manage the website johnthegrocer.com, listed as the #1 result to the inquiry. Now let's understand how Google is doing it. Google indexes or scans all the websites through a tool called as a crawler to gauge the content every websites contain. In turn, what these websites are about, and stores most of the information in their server. So whenever someone is searching Google using a keyword, Google checks all the websites in their servers and picks up the best one that matches with the keyword and displays this result according to the website ranking. Now let's think from Google's perspective. If the results do not match with the keywords customer is searching for, then Google becomes completely irrelevant, isn't it? Say, what do you feel if you search for groceries in Dubai and the results is showing the groceries in Oman? So Google has brought in certain criteria to make sure that the users are getting the right listing for the keyword search. These criteria are technically called algorithms. Algorithms are a set of criteria that determines the quality and authenticity of a website. Understanding some of the basic algorithms will give you an idea of what determines the quality. Now, one of the algorithms is whether the customer is immediately closing the website soon after they visit, which in technical term called as a bounce rate. If the bounce rate for a website is higher, then Google understands that the website is not right for the keyword customer is looking for. Another algorithm is the average amount of time spent by a customer on a website. The higher the time, the better the website is, which is logical, isn't it? A customer will stay longer on a right website. Now the trickiest part is Google keeps changing these algorithms. Why? Let's think from a digital marketing perspective. The job of a digital marketer is to make sure that the website they are working on rank first on the most relevant keywords the business represents. For John, the digital marketer would work on the keywords such as the best grocery in Dubai, most affordable grocery in Dubai, or Arab grocery in Jumeirah. A digital marketer can target any number of keywords depending on the type of business, revenue expectations, etc. So one of the main objectives for any marketer is to adhere to the Google algorithms, including the latest one, and rank the websites for those keywords most of the customers are searching for. To sum up, if Google is a digital database of all the websites in the world, with options to cross-verify and list the most relevant websites, all the practices a digital marketer follows to rank their website according to the targeted keywords, it's called the SEO. See you in our next video.